Okay, to assemble it is the same way. All right, you're gonna use first input first this hardware, this black hardware. So housing, you see that it's going inside. Just pull it a little bit. Careful not to damage our cables or wires inside. There. You see this notch here, it goes to this guy here, but let's now connect we have this part. Now we can put our slip ring with the other aiming to the drum and check for the colors, the color code that we put. One red dot is our number 1, so it's 1, the next one is 2, the next one is 3, and after that 4 dots, that means it is our number 4, and 1 all solid red, it is our ground. Same for the other guys over here. So we go and check first. Remember 4 is our yellow, so I start by yellow. Make sure that the connector is placed like this, 4, 4, and insert. And after that is number 3. And that is our orange color. And there you go. Then obviously number 2. And then we're gonna insert our number 1. Last, we're gonna connect our the armor. And there you go. Pull hardware, place it. You're gonna grab your 2.5. Tight, not super tight, just tight enough that this is holding the head and this one can easily spin. That's how it works. This guy magically inside you have a tray that with the mercury will start spooning, and this guy, it is moving, but this part is not moving, so it will help you gratefully. You see, I'm pushing the loom inside, put it there. Now I need to connect this guy on the other section, the one that I have around here. So let's put this guy here, just so that doesn't drop. All right. Remember the colors I told you. So first, number 1. It's red. Number 2. Number 3. So, focus there. There we go. Sorry, the focus is going out. So, the next one is blank. It's white, number 2. Oh, be careful. It doesn't twist. There we go. All the way. And green is number 3. And our number 4 is blue. There we go. Last one but not least, black. Remember, there we go. And that's it. 4, 1, and very carefully just push this guy. Here you have the rail that it goes. You have a tiny rail. How it goes is, you see, this is another. It will bond here. It will slide on this section. All right. There you go. Now, be careful not to crush your cables. And slowly push it in, remove your screw, and there we go. Snug, secure your 2.5, and let's put it back. There we go, 90 degrees angle. Grab your 5mm. Done. That's it, mis amigos. That's how you do a slip ring 4-core. Thank you.